Hi everyone. Imagine today you are watching your YouTube videos and an annoying advertisement suddenly appear. Don't we all hate that? So I'm introducing Filmplace Product Placement AI. Essentially, this AI with our technology will be able to literally embed an existing advertiser's product directly into an existing video. So the advertisers themselves, they love it because we build trust within the brands and the consumer. The platform love it because they create better user experience. And lastly, don't we all love it because no more 30-second annoying advertisement? At Filmplace, we have more than 7,000 global brands already using our technology. We are a fast growth startup. We have been growing over 600% last year. And currently, we are in our pre-A round looking to raise 1.5 million. If you find Filmplace interesting, I'll be happy to talk. And my name is Lincoln, CEO and founder of Filmplace. We are at booth 78. I'll see you guys shortly. Thank you.
Thank you, Filmplace. You can meet them at booth number 78. The next one up is Invigilo. Let's give them a round of applause for some energy.
Hi everyone. I'm Vishnu, the CEO and co-founder of Invigilo AI. Every single day, about 6,500 people die due to worksite accidents. In fact, I lost my cousin about 8 years ago due to such an accident. This is because safety teams are disconnected. They rely heavily on paperwork, and a lot of things can go wrong every single day. So Invigilo is an AI-enabled safety SaaS platform that relies on multiple fields of AI to help enforce safety and reward good safety practices in these high-risk construction and oil and gas companies. In just 2 years, we have turned profitable, deployed across 45 different locations around the world, working with companies like Aramco, Lendlease, and others. We're now at 1.1 million USD ARR, and we are looking to raise a pre-A round. If you're interested to talk to us, we're in booth 80, just outside. Thank you.
Thank you, Invigilo. Next one up is Cyvatar. Come on, Startup Grind. Don't be shy. Let's give them a round of applause.
Hi, I'm Corey White, CEO, founder of Cyvatar. I'm a 29-year veteran of the cybersecurity community. So, question for you. How many of you out there are founders? Raise your hand. All right. How many of you founders want to grow your business? All right. I assume everybody. Here's the problem. You're not going to be able to grow your business unless you get cybersecurity. You're going to get security questionnaires. You're going to get compliance requirements. You're going to get insurance requirements that are going to come towards you. All these are going to come because large companies won't partner with you unless you have these things in place. So I built a business. I built a platform. I built Cyvatar to solve this problem. 99% of all businesses out there, 32 million businesses in the United States, are small to medium-sized businesses. And if you want to get the best-of-breed cybersecurity products and implement it and maintain it, you have to come to Cyvatar. So thank you. Booth 81 outside.
Thank you, Cyvatar. And reminder, you can meet all the startups right behind the theater in their booth. The next one is VeriFi. Yes, please. Thank you.
Hey, Startup Grind. My name's Dale. I'm the CEO and co-founder of VeriFi. VeriFi automatically connects you to nearby secure Wi-Fi, the same way that your SIM card just automatically connects you to cell towers. My co-founder and I were roommates at West Point. We served in the Army together. We've been best friends for a decade. We traveled over 50 countries together, and the #1 problem that we found is finding good Wi-Fi, because our SIM card in a lot of these countries just sucked. We right now launched in Medellin and Cartagena, Colombia, and if you download our app right now, you can just walk down the street and stay connected to Wi-Fi. We want to expand this service to over 20 cities across Latin America by the end of the year. So if you want to join us and bring the seamless SIM card experience to public Wi-Fi and solve the #1 problem that travelers face around the world, come talk with us. We're booth 82. VeriFi. Thanks.
Thank you, VeriFi. Next one up is Fairbrics. Let's give them some love. Come on.
The petrochemical industry is the most polluting industry by far. At Fairbrics, we are on a mission to change a problem into a solution by creating a climate-positive chemical industry. Climate change is of great concern. We need to ask now to ensure our loved ones and children have a healthy, safe future. That's why at Fairbrics, we have created an industrial-scale technology that takes CO2 from the air and replaces fossil fuels. We start with style. We start with fashion. I don't know if you realize it, but each year, the clothes you buy have more impact on climate change than the plane you take. At Fairbrics, we have developed a CO2-based polyester with the exact same properties as the best fiber on the market, but with a much lower carbon footprint. It's available now, and it's just the beginning. If you want to know how does it work, come to see me. I'm at booth 83. Thank you.
Thank you, Fairbrics. And the next one out is Senpex.
Hello, everyone. My name is Anar. I'm the co-founder of the Senpex. Today, as you know, there's like 60% of the retail businesses, like e-commerce marketplaces, food industry, etc., really struggling on the last mile logistic automation process. Whereas the Senpex is mainly works with the B2B mainly, streamline the last mile logistic process and help them to scale and grow to the new location. The company established 6 years ago, pretty much like the big brands, like 4,000 corporate customers, like including Apple, DoorDash, Google Eats, they use our automation, they use our tools. Basically, they're very cash positive. We offering the following services like Senpex API, the mobile apps, and a special route optimization engine. Those who are interested to see our solutions to grow together, please visit our booth. Thank you very much.